Aero Asset proudly presents this 2006 Leonardo Helicopters AW109E Power, serial number 11679. The first 109 variant entered into service in 1976 and has since been one of the most dependable light twin helicopters operating in various roles, including light utility, medevac, search and rescue, and VIP use. With over 900 109s produced and nearly 400 E-Power variants in service today in 46 countries worldwide, the AW109 remains top of its class and is known for its reliability and speed, which can reach 168 knots, or almost 25% faster than average light helicopters. The retractable landing gear allows for these higher cruise speeds, as well as hands-free taxiing and simple ground handling. The FADEC-controlled Pratt & Whitney Canada's powerful PW206C engines allow for excellent helipad performance. Serial number 11679 comes equipped with a VIP 6-passenger cabin, as well as a light EMS kit. For versatility, it has a baggage compartment extension to take extra luggage or equipment, along with provisions for a 600-pound rescue hoist. With a focus on safety, 11679 is both single and dual pilot IFR configured, with emergency float provisions and an inlet barrier filter system. This helicopter has no damage history, has always been hangared, and has been maintained to the highest industry standards. Leonardo Helicopters AW109E Power, serial number 11679, presented by Aero Asset.